All right, in the example for another example of question number 3, suppose for instance I had a 45, 45, 90 where the hypotenuse was the square root of 32, and I asked you to solve that or find the sides, the two legs of that particular right triangle. Well, we know that in general that a 45, 45, the sides are the same length, and the hypotenuse is the side times the square root of 2. So if we say then that there's a relationship or correlation between these corresponding sides right here, we can set up an equation. We would go x square root of 2 equals square root of 32. Well, to get rid of the square root of 2 on the left side, I'm going to divide. And I'm going to divide the left and the right side by the square root of 2. This just becomes x. This becomes the square root of 32 over 2, which is the same as the square root of 16, which in this case is 4. So the length of both sides of my right triangle here would be 4. Let's take another example. Let's say that the right triangle that I've got the right triangle that I have now let's say alright, so instead of this now, let's say I had, let's say the square root of 12. So again, I would go, there's a correlation there, I would go x square root of 2 is equal to the square root of 12. Divide both sides by the square root of 12, by the square root of 2, excuse me. Now we get x is equal to the square root of 12 over 2. So in this case, x would be equal to the square root of 6. So I can't do anything more with that, so I'm just going to leave it. X, so that's going to be square root of 6, and that's going to be the square root of 6. And that's it.